So here is the Omnisend full tutorial. Omnisend is a marketing automation platform that helps online businesses with email, SMS, and other marketing. It's designed to help e-commerce businesses grow their sales and audience. So let's head to their website, omnisend.com. On the top, you can see all of these features right here. Let's go ahead and check out their pricing. You can see all the different plans they offer, including free. On the top right corner, you have Start Free, Log In, or Request a Demo. We will go ahead and click on Start Free. After that, just be patient and wait for it to load up. Then you will be redirected to this page right here. You have options to sign up with Shopify, sign up with Google, or your email. We will select Sign up with Google for now. Then just go ahead and select your Google account. After that, click on Continue. And once it's done, on the next page, make sure that your email address is correct and type in a password for your Omnisend account. So I'll go ahead and type in a password for my account. And while putting in your password, make sure that it meets the Omnisend requirement, which is password should contain at least 8 characters and 1 number. So follow this requirement when typing in your password. Once done, you need to select My Businesses, E-commerce or Non-e-commerce. Then agree to the terms and conditions, and also you can select this option if you want. Then click on Sign Up. So once you're on the next page, you can select Got It or Not Now to save your password on the top. Then you need to put in all of your information right here, starting off with your first name. Then you need to put in your last name. After that, type in your store name as well. Also, you need to put in your store website. Then, which platform are you using for your store? So from the options here, choose the relevant platform. And as you can see, I've selected Shopify. Keep in mind that the store website section is important. So you need to put in the URL of your store website. Then select which email or marketing automation software are you currently using. So from the options, select the one that apply. After that, just click on Continue. So once you're in the next page, you will get to see what's your business address. Here, you need to fill up all of this information as well. So put in your business address on the first section. After that, you need to put in your city. Then go ahead and select your country from the options. You can also use the search bar if you want. Then put in your zip code and time zone and continue to Omnisend. After that, just wait for it to load up. And as you can see, we're now in the Omnisend dashboard. On the top here, you can see sections like campaigns, automation, forms, audience, and reports. And over here, you have goals and overview. So if we select overview, you will be redirected to this page right here. This is where you will get to see an overview of your overall performance. So I will skip this pop-up for now. So over here, you can see revenue from Omnisend and also campaigns, automation, total store revenue. On the right, you will get to see the graph. Scrolling down, you have audience growth. So you will get to see detailed information right here. Now let's go ahead and select campaigns from the top. After that, you will get to see this page right here. From here, click on Create Email Campaign. Then, just wait for the next page. So once you're here, you will need to fill up all of this information to start your campaign. You can also use Generate AI subject line. Here, just put in your desired subject line keywords. You can put in something like discount or whatever you want and click on Generate. And as you can see, we've got these suggestions right away. You can select any one that you want. Then, you need to put in the sender's name. So over here, type in the name of the sender. And if you want, you can enable Receive Replies to a different email address. Here, just select an email address that you want. Then, you need to put in a pre-header, which is a short text that follows the subject line of your emails. Then, go ahead and type in your campaign name. I will type in tutorial for now. After that, on the language section, scroll through the options and select the language you want. Once done, let's scroll down further. Here, you have the option to connect your Facebook and also edit UTM tags. Once done, click on Choose Email Template on the bottom right corner. After that, give it some time to load up. So once you're on this page, you will need to choose a template. So here, you have templates and save templates. Also, you have the section that says Go. You can select any of these options to filter the templates. And over here, you will get to see all the available templates that you can choose from. So go through them and select the one that you like. I will go ahead and click on Use Template on this one. You can also click on Preview to get a glimpse of the template. And as you can see, the template is now opened in the editor. You can customize all the elements on this template. And here on the left panel, you have options like Quick Add, Saved Items, Saved Layouts, Pre-Header, which we saw earlier. And after that, we have Header right here. After that, we have Hero Image. You will get to see options like this. Then we have Email Body, Product Listing, Image Gallery, and lastly, we have the option to customize our footer. And as you can see, you have some options to choose from. So now, let's go ahead and select this text right here. And after selecting this section, you'll be able to highlight the text and replace it with whatever you want. This way, you can type in between, or you can highlight a specific part of the text and press the backspace button to remove it. And if you want to remove the entire text, just go ahead and select the entire text. After that, on the left here, you have options like Delete Layout, Duplicate Layout, Save Layout, and then you have Move Up to move it up to the top, or you have Move Down. And if you go over to the right panel, you will get to see all of these options to customize your text even further. So here on the font section, you can go through all of these options to choose a font that you like. And as you can see, the font has been changed instantly. And on the size section, you can go through all of these options to set a size for your text. So let's go ahead and choose a size that looks good. After that, further down on the right panel, you have a lot of these options that you can use to customize your text even further. And as you can see, you can change the layout as you want. Scrolling down further, you have options for link color. So here, you can choose any color that you want. Then you have padding options. Now, let's click on this image. Then, let's go to Hero Image on the left panel and drag this option on top of this image. And as you can see, we now have this additional section over here. And to customize it, select any section that you want as you did before. This way, you can select each of these options and customize them. And once you're done editing, you can go over to the top right and click on Preview and Test, or click this drop down and select any of these options. Or you can click on Save and choose Recipients on the top right corner, which will redirect you to the next page. So as you can see, we're now in the Choose Email Recipient section. Here, you can select all subscribers, or let me choose segments over here. Then, on the Send To section, you need to search or put in the emails for the recipients. And once done, just click on Create a Segment. And as you can see, it says you do not have any segments created, so a new segment will be created. So once you're here on this page, you will get to see all your available contacts. And here you have all of these sections on the top. Also, you can add new contacts by clicking on Add Contacts on the top right corner. Then you can choose from any of these options and create your contact. And that is the full tutorial on Omnisend. You can go ahead and start creating your email marketing campaigns.